Hi everyone, welcome to Aurora Hotels. This is the monthly forecast for July 2021. You can look this up for sun, moon, and rising sign. This is a general reading, so to book your personal reading, please find my details in the description section below. So I have the cards laid out over here. I have changed the construct a little bit this time. So we have the main theme, what you need to release, something new coming this month. Then I have the two timelines. So we have the first half of the month and then we have the second half of the month. And we will get to understand the events that would happen during this timeline. And of course, we have the love reading for both singles and people who are in a relationship or married. So we have Ace of Pentacles in the main theme. Beautiful card. Ace of Pentacles is generally signifying new beginning in your financial situation, an opportunity to better your financial security. So there could be a job offer or an idea which will help you prosper and give you that much advancement in your career. So overall, Ace of Pentacles is a wonderful message of manifesting abundance. Prosperity is on the cards. It's a good time to start new and establish a secure foundation for yourself. Ace of Pentacles not only means an improved financial situation, but it also tells you to take care of your physical and emotional well-being. This is a great time to invest in yourself. With Ace of Cups over here, some of you who are in a relationship may be moving in together. Let's come to what you need to release. There's definitely a opportunity coming for you where it comes to new love or new compassion. It's a good period for creativity. So this period will actually help you release the block that you've been facing, be it a mental block, be it an emotional block, or be it a creative block. And this is also the time for forgiveness. This oracle card over here is stating exactly that you need to now take that transit and move on to the other side. Don't be in between. Let go of old hurts, let go of past grudges, let go of the life that did not work for you and make the move and move on to the newer pastures. If you're single, there could be a new love coming in your life. Let's move to what's new coming this month. You may be feeling very overwhelmed. You may be overthinking and blowing things out of proportion. Some of you may also be feeling a bit myopic and not able to really think clearly or think long term. I also see some kind of an argument or an altercation. You are probably getting too consumed in that fight and you are not able to see the big picture. I feel some of you are just wasting your time and troubling yourself way too much by getting involved in this dispute. So this guidance card tells you to let go of the petty concerns. Detach yourself from the situation and look at the big picture. Have a look from the above. Focus on what's important and drop everything else. Let's move to the first half. Six of Cups is probably telling more insight about who you are having the fight with. So it could be people who are related to you from your past. It could be somebody from your childhood, relatives, friends, family. With Knight of Wands reversed over here, this could be also referring to someone who is of fire sign and who is very charming and very manipulative. This could also be someone who is very ill-tempered and very revengeful. So you need to be a little cautious of this person or probably this energy that you're facing. So this is the person who would like to win at any cost. And Two of Wands over here is definitely telling that you're struggling to move forward in your life due to power struggles with people, and there is an unnecessary drama around you. So it's time for you to ignore all the distractions and move forward with your life, because whatever is happening around you is only limiting you. So the Two of Wands is urging you to find your own path and move on, rather than being stuck in this chaos. I do see 2 job offers coming for you, or 2 opportunities you may get to choose from. Let's move to the second half of the month. With Two of Swords over here, I see there could be a difficulty in making a decision. Some of you may find yourself at a crossroad and don't know where to proceed. It could also be a stressful time, as decision to be made is not seeming to be straightforward. Two of Swords also tells me that some of you may be in a denial. So you will have to pull off that blindfold and look beyond ignorance and fears. Seven of Swords is again urging you to not be narrow-minded and look at opportunities and options which will help you in the long run. I also see some kind of a dishonesty connected to this card. So whatever the fight is, I do understand it may not be a fair play. So that is exactly why you may need to take off that blindfold to see what is the truth. Let's move to the love reading. For singles, there is Five of Pentacles and King of Pentacles reversed. With Ace of Cups in the spread, there is a new love coming for singles. However, with Seven of Swords in the reading, it could be just a casual relationship with little potential to be anything more. You may find this person who could be older to you and may have similar hobbies and interests. This could be somebody who is a Taurus, Virgo, or a Capricorn. However, with King of Pentacles reversed, this is someone who could be very conservative. It could be very difficult to come to a midpoint with this person. With Five of Pentacles over here and King of Pentacles reversed, this person could be a miser and a hoarder. So that could be a red flag for some. This person is fairly stubborn and is scared to make any positive change. I also see some kind of a manipulation, and there could be some kind of a secret kept from you. Let's move to the relationship reading. With Seven of Swords in this spread already indicates that there are trust issues within the relationship. Nine of Wands signifies that some of you may be in a stressful relationship, or you may be in a very obsessive, protective kind of a relationship. With Ten of Pentacles reversed, I see there is some kind of an anxiety, there is some kind of a stressful environment in your family life itself, and it's not just between the two of you. Some of you may be holding past grudges, or there is some situation which is not resolved. So it's time for you to resolve that, let bygones be bygones, and let petty concerns move out of your relationship. So that's all for now. If you like this video and you were able to resonate with this reading, give a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Keep watching. Much love.